everyone, so today I am filming another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be filming a Jaclyn Hill eye tutorial using one of her Vault Collection palettes. This is the shade Arm and Gorgeous, and I am doing a glittery look using these shades. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is take our glasses off. Put those there. We're going to put concealer on my lids. Stay. We're using the NARS Liquid Radiant Creamy Concealer. We're just going to take a Real Techniques brush and blend it in. Maybe that's really clunky. We're going to use this brush. I'm going to use the wrong brush. Alright, so now we're going to let that dry for a second. We're going to do a glittery look using Guilt Trip, Coin, and Classified, with maybe a little bit of VIP, and that's about it. So we're only using the glittery shades in this palette today. So we are first going to do the lid. So we're going to take a lid brush. So we're going to take this small one from Morphe. This doesn't have a number on it like the Morphe and whatever, because I got this out of the holiday one and it didn't come with names on it. So we're going to take Guilt Trip, which is a really nice gold, and we're going to, what happened to that brush? It went on the ground, whatever. We're going to take MAC Fix Plus, and we're going to spray the brush. We're going to put this legitimately all over the lid. I remember these having controversy when they first came out. I've never used this palette, ironically. I bought it and then literally never used it. It looks like I have, but I just swatched everything inside of it. But I never physically used it until today, and honestly, I like it. However, I'm already kind of noticing that, at least on this side, it's starting to clump, but that could just be I didn't let it dry all the way. So that could just be my own stupid fault, which it probably is, let's be honest here. But let's just get this on. Alright, so we have Guilt Trip on the eyelids. Next, we're going to take a small, that we don't have small ones, so we're just going to use this one. We're going to take this fluffy brush, dip into Coin. Grab as much as we can, and then put it in the crease. Oh, the color that was on there before is also rubbing off on my lids, so that's fun. Yeah, the pink I had on there is also coming off on my lids, that's fun too. Make sure you clean your brushes, kids, because then this will screw up your eye look. Actually, it doesn't look that bad, I'm not gonna lie. It could be better though. Okay, Coin and Guilt Trip look almost exactly the same on the lid. Like, I'm not kidding you. Like, they look almost identical on the lid. I'm not kidding you. Okay. Ow! Fudge. That is Coin and that is Guilt Trip. It's a little darker, but not entirely. And the last thing we're going to do is go in with Classified. Oh yeah, that is 100% a different color. We're going to Classified right down the center. We're going to do it right in the center between the lid and the crease, like right down the center. go back over really quick. Next, we're going to throw on eyeliner. We're going to be using the NYX retractable eyeliner pencil, the only eyeliner I literally ever use. That would have been great. Alright, and the last thing we're going to do is put something in the crease. So, not the crease, the inner corner. So we're going to take this brush. We're going to put a little bit of VIP on there. And by a little, I mean a lot. We're going to coat the brush entirely. Brush is coated. We are going to spray Fix Plus on it. I'm going to put you directly... Yo, that is a pigmented ass white. Holy crap. Morphe killed it with this collection. I'm not kidding. Alright, let's throw some more on here. Now we're going to put on some mascara. We are going to first, we're going to put on Damn Girl. We're going to put that on the lashes. And the last thing is going to be the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'll throw that on top of that and on the bottom lashes as well. Let me know if you guys want to see me do a video of me trying to put on fake lashes for the first time, because that would be a funny ass video. Not lying to you, that would be a very, very funny video. Now, if you get mascara on you anywhere else, lick your finger and remove. Put the glasses back on so I can see what I'm doing. And then we're going to put on a liquid lip. I think we're going to put on Karma. I have to find it though. I think it's this one right here. It is. So we're going to put on Karma by Jeffree Star to kind of complete this green look. So, and bada bing, bada boom. Let me bring you guys in closer so you can see the final look. And here we go. It's not as sparkling as like a normal sparkle look would look, but I mean, it looks good. I like it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what you want next, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!